What's good, YouTube? It's your friendly neighborhood brother, Butta, and I'm coming to you live with another video. Now, this time we're going to go over the importance of nutrition, weight loss, and what I'm going to be eating on my weight loss journey, and just some quick tips and things that will help somebody who's new to weight loss and somebody who's just getting started and wants to know what's the best way to break into weight loss. Now, starting over here at the left, I have fruits. As you can see, I got mangoes here, apples, a couple of grapes, and watermelons in the back. Now, I chose these fruits because these all contain high amounts of water. Now, it is very important that you not only drink a lot of water, but you also eat your water. Now, when somebody says you eat your water, what they're referring to is eating fruits and vegetables that contain a lot of water. Now, the benefit of eating fruits and vegetables that contain a lot of water is you not only get the benefits of hydration, but you also get the micronutrient benefits. Micronutrients, anything like fiber, your sodium, your potassium, and things of that nature. Now, these elements play a certain role in body composition, but that's for a later video. For now, it's very important that you guys get your hydration through not only water, but also through your fruits. Moving right along, we got veggies. Now, as you guys can clearly see, I like carrots, I like green beans. But more importantly than just simply enjoying these types of vegetables, it's important that you eat a lot of vegetables when you're on a diet, because you want to get filled up off of foods that have very low calories. When you're losing weight, you got to keep in mind that it is calories in versus calories out. So you want to eat at a caloric deficit. In other words, you want to consume less food, you want to consume less calories, than your body needs to maintain its body weight. So for example, I need between 1600 to 1700 calories every day to maintain my body weight. I try to eat at a deficit of at least 200 calories. So that means I try to eat at about 1300 calories every day. That way I know I'm staying in a caloric deficit. When you eat vegetables, you can get a lot of vegetables in without having to spend a lot of your calories. And remember, when you're losing weight, every calorie counts. Whether it's from juice, soda, water, food, desserts, every calorie counts when you're losing weight. So keep that in mind. Now, I'm actually really excited about this. I saw this at the store and I was like, yeah, I gotta try this. This is a great substitute for anybody who's like me and has a weakness for pasta. This is vegetable pasta. As you can see by the bag, it's pasta made with zucchini and lentils. So once again, instead of going for a high carb, high calorie option, I decided to go for a low carb, low calorie option. I'm still gonna get that same pasta feel, pasta sauce, but with a lot less calories, and hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna hook it up with some fish and we're gonna see what this does. Speaking of fish, we're gonna move on to the proteins. I'm gonna start off with this Atlantic salmon. Now, I love salmon. This is probably my favorite fish. I love salmon, red snapper, and trout. Those are my three favorite fish. But I love salmon for the simple fact that it's so easy and quick to cook. And also, take a look at these macronutrients on it. 15 grams of fat, no carbs, hella protein, 23 grams of protein in that thing. Now, a lot of people who are new to fitness will take a look at that 15 grams of fat and say, oh my God, that's a lot of fat. Honestly, it's not. And I'm going to explain to you why. There are different types of fat. Not all fats are made the same. Bad fats are what you see that saturated fat and that trans fat. Those are considered your bad fats, or the fats that aren't good for you. On the other hand, you have good fats, which are your polyunsaturated as well as your monounsaturated fats. Now, these fats contribute to the production of testosterone, which actually contributes to muscle creation and production. So the majority of the fat in this fish is good fat, so do not worry. You can eat this, it's not a problem. Also, with high protein diets, you tend not to get hungry as quickly, which is also very good for somebody who's trying to lose weight, because you don't want to consume a whole lot of meals. You want to keep your meals limited so that you can keep your calories down. Another option for protein is eggs. Now, these are egg beaters. Short and sweet. These egg beaters are already cracked eggs. They're just liquefied. You just pour them in the skillet and cook them up. There's 5 grams of protein to this, 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 fat. Finally, my total fats, my biggest source of fats, of healthy fats, is coming from this almond butter. Now, you'll see 16 grams of fat. Like I spoke about earlier, you're getting 4 grams from polyunsaturated, 10 grams from the monounsaturated, and only 2.5 are coming from the saturated. But once again, healthy fats, do not concern yourself with healthy fats. Just watch out for the calories. As you see, there's a lot of calories in this, so it is very, very important that you don't overdo it with the fats. So this is it, y'all. This is some of the things that I'm going to be eating on my diet. It's not a complete list, but I do feel like this is a great starter for anybody that is new to weight loss, new to fitness. Until next time, y'all, it's your friendly neighborhood brother, J.Butta, and I'm out.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.